Hello and welcome to How to Drop the Lowest Grade from an Assignment Group. Our first step is to hop into the course that you want to do this in and find assignments. Click on Assignments from Course Navigation. Here I have an assignment group called Quizzes with some quizzes in it, and then I have another assignment group that is just called Assignments. If you have not yet set these up, you can always add a group by clicking the plus group button in the top right corner. Once you have a group identified where you would like to drop the student's lowest score, go to the Kebab menu all the way to the right, those three vertical dots, and then click Edit. From here, you'll have a pop-up window with the group name and number of scores to ignore for each student. So for example, they complete all of their quizzes and you want to drop the lowest score automatically. So under lowest scores, we are going to increase this to 1 so that you're dropping that one lowest score. And you can also add a rule where it will never drop a given assignment. For example, if that big numbers fill in the blank quiz is especially important, you can tell Canvas to not ever drop that quiz, even if it is the lowest score. All right, click the X to remove that, and I'm going to click Save. So this will save that auto dropping of the lowest score from the semester. We know this has been applied because it now says one rule, and if you hover, you can see it says drop the lowest score. So it'll drop the lowest score from that specific assignment group. This one is called Quizzes. All right, I hope you find this helpful in making your semester easier to grade.